Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. I'm so excited. This is the bag that I've been waiting for like 2 months and I am just so excited to see it. I got it in last night and actually it was like yesterday afternoon, and I've been just looking at the box and I wanted to open it so bad, but I was like, I want to do a true unboxing. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, keep on watching. Right, so let's unbox this baby. Okay. Here it is. I'm so excited. This is the Numero Dix. I think it is the 10. It's number 10. So let's just, I wonder if I should unbox it with you. Let's do that. Okay, we unboxed her. Oh, she is gorgeous. I am so excited. I love the little tassels at the bottom. It's so cute. So this bag I had to pre-order, I think. I can't remember if it was like last few days of December or first few days of January, but yeah, it got delivered on February 14th. So it did take a while, but I knew it was back ordered. So I'm gonna pull up the dimensions on this. Okay, so this is called the Numero Dix. I think that just means 10. In the monochrome black textured leather. So you can see it's like textured. Right now it is on pre-order again. It is shipping on March 24th. So probably about the same time it took for me to get it. It's gonna take for you to get it. It's like a half moon shape, which is super trendy right now, but I also think that this will be like timeless. It's just like a classic black bag, but I feel like I got black because I feel like I'll be able to wear it a lot of different ways. It actually came with the a little pamphlet on how to wear it and style it, and there's some on the back. So there's like a bunch of different ways that you can wear it. You can basically wear it like as a long shoulder bag, crossbody bag, let's see, shoulder bag, a short crossbody bag. So it just kind of depends on what you want. I think I might hang it for a couple days just so it straightens out. But yeah, let's see the dimensions on this. All right, so this bag is handmade in Spain. It's full grain textured leather, calf leather, 100% velvet microfiber lining. I'll show you that. It is super smooth in here. Very nice. Has one big slip pocket here, and then just the rest is just a big opening. And then these are in centimeters again, because it's not an American brand. But it is, I assume it's 24.5 centimeters in length, and then 20.5 in height, and then 7.5 in depth. It is like a half moon shape, like I said, so it is thicker at the bottom than it is at the top. Then it has like this pretty detail at the bottom, this like strap here. Yeah, this is so pretty. I love it. And then the logo is just, it says Polene right here. It's just a little thing there. All right, so let's see what fits, and then I'll do some mod shots. All right, so in most of my bags, I usually, if I don't have if it's a bigger bag, I'll usually keep my lipsticks and stuff in like a pouch like this, but that's literally gonna take up the whole thing, so we're not gonna do that. So I grabbed just a few lipsticks, just random ones. I'm gonna put those in the back pocket here. It's easier access too when you have them just right in the back, because, well, I feel you just unzip it, grab it, put it back. So we'll do that. I do want to see, this probably will fit my mini pochette, so let's see how that fits. So it's almost like the my other Polene bag, where it fits, but it's just, it takes up so much room. So we're gonna take that out, and we're just gonna throw my card case and my keys just right in there. And I feel like I have a lot of big bags, so I did want like something smaller. So this definitely is smaller than what I typically carry. So just like that, and you still have plenty of room. Let me add my essentials. Ibuprofen. I'll do a little powder. Some tampons. We'll do a pack of gum. It definitely is a little tricky because it's the half moon shape. I didn't really take that into consideration. So it's like big, but you can't fit a ton of stuff. So, I mean, probably a lotion too, actually. That's a essential for me. So that's what it looks like in there with all of that stuff. And let's see if I can zip it. Easily zips, and it doesn't even look like anything's in there. See? Okay, so now I'm going to give you mod shots. This is whatever it came on. It looks like it's on the shortest setting on the longer strap. So you can do like a shorter crossbody like this, which is cute. That's cute. And then you could do a shoulder. I think I like this length for a shoulder bag. This length is so cute for a shoulder bag. And then I would probably wear it a little bit longer for a crossbody. Okay, let's see where that hits us. Yeah, that's a good, this is like a better crossbody. I shouldn't have worn black pants, or leggings. This is a better probably crossbody length for me, maybe one up. I don't know. I'll play around with it, but super easy to like just get into, get whatever you need. Love it. I've been really into like shoulder bags lately. Like especially like the Neo Noe. I just love how it like fits on your shoulder. So I'm gonna change it real quick to the shorter strap. Okay, so that is on the second to top hole for a shoulder bag. Oh, that's so cute. and it's not too like bulky, so like your arm doesn't stick out too far. That's really cute. I love this. One of the things that I was like actually kind of concerned about with this bag, because I have shelves that I keep my bags on, is if it could sit, and it can. And that makes me really excited. This is full. I don't know if it'll sit when it's not full, but even if I had to stuff it to sit it up. This bag, oh my gosh. This is probably just gonna be my new every single day bag. But I also think like if you wore this with a dress like on the shoulder like that, would be so cute, right? I feel like that'd be really cute. And I feel like the black just goes with everything. So yes, I'm so excited. I'll probably do like a wear and tear video eventually. But yeah, for now, I have my two little cuties. My two little Polene bags. I will say, I don't know if it's because I think this is padded down here, and then up here is not. Up here feels like this bag texture, and like, but then this feels like puffier. It is probably. I was worried too about the zipper and like getting in, but like once you kind of like unzip it and push it open, it kind of just stays open. So you can just like get what you need. Need my lip gloss, put my lip gloss on, put it back. Zip the bag. There you go. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!